Did you know that there is a brand that has revolutionized the world of smart home devices? We've left the product link in the description so you can check the price or buy it directly. Eufy has launched a new generation of smart home devices that simplify life at home. They are particularly notable for their innovative security cameras, including indoor, outdoor, and doorbell cameras, with multiple image quality options and power sources. Today, you'll discover some interesting facts you might not know about one of the latest and most popular cameras, the EufyCam 3. We'll explore its features, functionalities, and some drawbacks. So stay with us as we dive into the details without further ado. The packaging. Before diving into the exceptional features of the security camera, it's essential to know what's included in the package. This way, you'll have a complete idea of how and what to use before starting. The kit includes the EufyCam 3 outdoor cameras, the Homebase 3, an Ethernet cable for connecting the hub, a 12-volt adapter, a USB-C cable for charging the cameras, 2 mounting bases with screws, a quick start guide, and a sticker. Additionally, you'll find mounting accessories, such as screw packs, positioning stickers, and a metal pin for resets. This set can function as a comprehensive security system. The Homebase 3 stores all recordings locally, and motion detection notifications arrive seamlessly. This ensures you have total control over your security without relying on external services. Installation and design. The EufyCam 3 is easy to install. You just need to charge the cameras for approximately 8 hours. Then, download the app and sync the cameras with the Homebase by following the provided instructions. The app is intuitive and will guide you step by step through the setup process. The design of the EufyCam 3 is robust and elegant, built to withstand outdoor conditions. Its standout feature is the solar panel, which allows it to operate wirelessly for an extended period. Additionally, it has a hidden USB-C port at the back for additional charging if needed. The lens, microphones, motion detection light, and infrared sensor are all located at the front, providing comprehensive coverage. The ergonomic design and durable construction ensure the camera can withstand adverse weather conditions, such as rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. Moreover, its modern and discreet appearance allows it to blend easily into any environment without drawing too much attention. Performance. The performance of the EufyCam 3 positions it among the best security cameras on the market. With an f1.x4 CMOS sensor and infrared illumination that enhances video quality, this camera offers exceptional 4K resolution, allowing an 8x zoom without losing clarity. This image quality allows you to capture important details such as facial features and vehicle plates with impressive sharpness. Although it doesn't offer continuous recording, you can set it to capture 120-second clips with short intervals. Thanks to its battery and solar panel, you can move the cameras around your property without needing to plug them in, giving you total flexibility in camera placement. Additionally, the EufyCam 3 features a highly sensitive motion detection system that can distinguish between humans, animals, and moving objects, minimizing false alarms. The camera also has real-time alerts that notify you immediately when motion is detected, ensuring you are always aware of what's happening on your property. Video quality. The EufyCam 3 is the first Eufy camera with 4K resolution, providing clear and detailed images during the day. Although its night vision is somewhat weak, it is significantly improved by activating the spotlight to obtain better quality color images. This capability is crucial for nighttime surveillance, allowing you to identify objects and people more accurately in low-light conditions. The camera's HDR, high dynamic range technology, ensures that even shaded and brightly lit areas are clearly visible, providing a balanced and detailed image. This functionality is particularly useful in scenarios where lighting can vary dramatically, such as driveways and patios. Night security. The Starlight Photo. Sensitive feature enhances clarity in low-light conditions, allowing nighttime recordings in color or infrared. The activation of the spotlight upon detecting motion provides sharper images and acts as a deterrent. Additionally, the anti-theft alert system is activated when someone tries to tamper with the camera, sending immediate notifications to your mobile device. The night vision mode of the EufyCam 3 uses advanced infrared LEDs that provide clear visibility up to 30 feet away, allowing you to monitor large areas, even in complete darkness. The combination of night vision and the spotlight makes this camera an excellent option for 24-hour security. Bionic Mind AI facial recognition is one of the key features of this device. The EufyCam 3 can distinguish between known and unknown individuals, as well as recognize animals. The app allows you to tag family and friends and filter events according to your preferences. This advanced artificial intelligence reduces false alarms and improves the efficiency of the security system. The Bionic Mind technology of the EufyCam 3 not only identifies faces, but also learns and improves over time. Every time you tag a person or animal, the system becomes more accurate, adjusting its algorithms to provide more effective surveillance. Additionally, the ability to define specific zones for motion detection ensures that only important areas are monitored, avoiding unnecessary notifications. Storage. The standard system comes with 16 GB of storage, enough for about 3 months of events. However, you can expand storage up to 16 TB using a 2.5-inch hard drive. With 4 TB, you could store up to 60 years of recordings. This ensures you'll always have access to your recordings without worrying about space. The expandable storage option is one of the most attractive features of the EufyCam 3. Unlike many other security cameras that rely on cloud subscriptions, the EufyCam 3 allows you to store and manage your videos locally, ensuring you have complete control over your data. No subscription fees. Unlike other brands, Eufy does not require monthly fees to access recorded videos. All data is stored locally on the home base, avoiding additional costs and ensuring your data remains private and secure. This means that after the initial purchase, you won't have to worry about additional costs, making the EufyCam 3 an economical option in the long run. Additionally, the lack of a subscription does not compromise the system's functionality. All advanced features, such as motion detection and facial recognition, are available without the need to pay extra, providing exceptional value. Security app. The UFI Security app is easy to use and significantly enhances the camera's performance and reliability. It allows you to set up private zones, adjust motion detection, and optimize battery life. The app's intuitive interface makes it easy to handle all the security system's functions. The app also offers complete control over notifications, allowing you to customize when and how you want to receive alerts. You can set instant alerts for suspicious movements or review recordings at your convenience. Additionally, the app is compatible with multiple devices, allowing several users to control the system from different locations. Final considerations. Although the EufyCam 3 has many advantages, it's important to mention some recent reports on security flaws, where captures and videos can be uploaded to the cloud without consent. However, Eufy has emphasized the privacy and local storage of data, which remains attractive to many users. It's essential to consider these aspects when making your decision. Moreover, the company has been actively working to address these issues, implementing firmware updates and additional security measures to protect users' privacy. It is recommended to stay informed about the latest updates and ensure you apply all security improvements provided by Eufy. In summary, the EufyCam 3 is a highly advanced security camera that offers excellent video quality, easy installation, and robust storage capacity without subscription fees. Although there are some privacy concerns, the benefits of this device significantly outweigh the drawbacks. We hope you found this review helpful. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more analysis and tech updates. turn on the notification bell to receive updates on our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.